you going? I ain't giving you a lawful order to stand over there. Go over there. I'll give you a lawful order.
I'm telling you.
Go over there. I'm giving you a lawful order. I'm giving you a lawful order.
Tiana.
Touching me!
I'm telling you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tiana,
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop touching me, bro.
Hey, get the tranquilizer, the taser. Hit that one piece, baby. Say it with me. Taser. The one piece too. Got to go. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Food Sticker. We are back with another banger reaction video. It's Monday. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure if this video is going out today or if it's going to go out Tuesday morning. Probably more than likely Tuesday morning. I haven't made my mind up yet. But the video, what is the video though? The video is police teach enormous bully. She doesn't make a rule. What's going on with the enormous bullies, man? Listen, the enormous bullies, boy, they coming out the woodworker, aren't they? We just did one the other day. We called the Willie Mammoth. Crazy. She walking across the street like she didn't call the police and say the police robbed her. Like, what? So I'm here for it. The enormous ones give us the good roasteries and the good jokeries, you know what I'm saying? Because they top of the dome, think recaps ain't on. They say some wild stuff and they just entitled. I don't know. But before we get into this video, I check into our people's meeps. You know what I'm saying? It's Monday. I got my water. Just do it. You feel me? But how you doing? How you doing? Tap down in the comment section. 1 through 10. Tap in. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually, okay? I'm not going to hold you guys up. We're going to get straight into the video because we have been going a couple days, so we ain't got time for the fluff. We're going to talk our little spiel, but we're going to keep it to a minimum. With that being said, let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 26,500 views, and giveaway going down on the 21st of December. Tell a friend.
On May 28th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a domestic dispute.
Damn!
Away from each other now.
You seen this shit?
Give me a second, I'll come talk to you. I'm gonna
Look at my face.
Oh, the wiggery off the domery. Go already.
Go over here.
Henry.
She threw that up in the car.
He's walking south towards Greenbrier.
Lisa Harry looking crazy underwards.
We'll talk about it. Come over
Where my
here.
iPad
Come over
at?
here.
Where my iPad?
Hang out here. We're gonna go talk over here.
Where my iPad?
Ma'am, let's go talk. We're gonna figure out your iPad, but let's get over here. I need you to come and talk with me over here.
Excuse me, man.
Just stay separated for me. I can
Got a
only
whole
handle
one piece
thing
on,
at a
baby.
time.
She said anything about her iPad and shit, and none of her shit is right there on top
I'll
of that.
figure all that out, but I
Where my
can't
iPad at?
You just had my house. You can't come back over here.
sit at the back of my car.
Look, I'm okay, love, but I feel good. I'm back right now.
No, he's gonna try to break my stuff,
I
ma'am.
can't do anything
You
to
let me
help
walk
you
away.
until you talk to me.
Okay, well, don't let him walk away.
We have multiple
You
other
let
Tell me how to do my job.
Ma'am,
He gonna break my stuff.
I will help you, but I cannot until we go this way. My partner is going to be
But
here
you're gonna
in
let
2
him go.
seconds.
Okay, don't let him go to your partner. Get away. He's gonna
He's
break.
staying right
He
here.
walking.
Before they take you to jail, you better calm down.
He walking with my
Get
shit.
your bag and you leave me the fuck alone.
Stay right here.
Don't
and
go
hang out.
nowhere. Where's my
I'm a
iPad?
grown ass man.
Where my iPad at?
Right here. By your
You need
bag.
to wait, ma'am.
You just,
Already not
Where's my
listening.
iPad?
We will
He got
figure
my iPad.
that out.
man.
So you let him walk away?
Excuse
Can
me,
you
man.
hurry up and get here?
You let him walk away?
Excuse me, man. Carol,
I'm not doing shit. Till he don't move.
I'm
He got
sorry.
my shit.
I know you are. I'm trying to make
He
you
got my
guys
shit.
separate
Right,
from
right.
each other
I'm trying to-
because
I'm
when
trying
I
to-
pull up, you're on top of each other.
He got my
No,
shit.
she had my hair.
He got my shit.
I will get it back. You need to stop pulling
Hey,
away
watch
from me.
out, bro. Let me go.
She's gonna take you to jail.
Let me go.
I need you to
Let me
stop.
go.
Oh, wait.
Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go.
Here we go.
Stop.
Let me
Here we
Walk
go.
away now.
Okay.
I'm sick of yelling at both of you.
Give me my shit.
You're going to be detained and
Give me
handcuffed
my
if you
shit.
do not stay separate from
He
him.
got
I'm
my
sick of
shit.
yelling at you.
He got my shit.
We will get it back. I need you to talk to me. Talk to me. I'm trying to help you. What happened? What happened? I'm trying to help
He
you.
got my.
Okay, so talk to me.
I was sitting out here trying to leave.
Okay.
He was antagonizing me. Hit me in my
Okay.
face. He busted my lip and hit me in my face. So only
Okay.
thing I did was pull his hair.
Okay. So can I tell you something? Someone called us and said that they saw him just beating your ass.
He was.
Okay, so that's why I'm trying to talk to you, because I'm trying to help you. I can't do shit if you're both still yelling at each other. Do you know what I'm saying? You need an ambulance. Your face is messed up.
That motherfucker's swollen, baby. Like, what?
Who is he to you? Who is he to you? Probably. I just can't get anything. Someone needs to talk to. I think he maybe saw. Thank you. All right. So who is he to you? Who is he to you?
Before the police officers get there, she can talk. She can do all this stuff. Now she's having a panting when the officers ask her name, asking her questions. If you say the man put hands on you and somebody called and said he's beating it, I don't know yet. You might have put hands on him, but I'm just saying, like, why would you want to spew out everything to let the officer do what they got to do? Like, why you all of a sudden act like you can't breathe, you can't talk, you can't nothing? But you sure was saying, don't let him go. He got my iPad. You so worried about the damn iPad. What's on the iPad, baby? You got another man over there dicking her down. I just got to keep it real. Why is the iPad so important after you got your ass whooped? The iPad is the most important thing on your brainery. I'm telling you, I know what goes down. When people want their phones and their iPads, it's something in that phone or that iPad that they don't want somebody to see. And it's usually another motherfucker going knee deep in that thing. I'm just saying, bro, like, make it make sense. Like, all this panting is unnecessary.
Can we sit down in your car so you can just take a breath?
Can we get my stuff?
Right now, he's being
telling
detained.
y'all.
He can't go anywhere. But I can't keep detaining him if I have nothing to detain him on. So I need you to come sit down and talk to me.
He said over here beating my ass, and I was trying to leave.
Okay.
He said out here.
Have a seat on your car. I need to ask you a bunch of questions.
I don't believe it. You want your iPad, you weren't trying to go nowhere.
Who is he to you?
My boyfriend.
He's your current boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're sitting in your car. Where do you
Trying
live?
to leave. I don't even live here.
Where does he live? He lives here. So you are sitting here. You were trying to leave. And then what happened?
He started antagonizing me, hitting me.
What was he doing that for?
Because I was trying to leave.
Okay. He didn't want you to leave?
No.
Okay. What happened after he started hitting you?
He just started hitting me and I kept trying to leave. And then he just punched me.
And then
so
what
I started
happened?
grabbing his hair. Ain't nothing wrong with his face. I didn't even hit him.
So then what? You're yelling about an iPad and stuff. Tell me about that.
I was leaving out trying to go. He threw my bag on the roof.
Okay. We'll get it. We'll get it. We had a bunch of people that saw this happen, so I believe everything you're saying. I just need to know what happened.
He threw my bag on the roof when I was trying to leave. He threw my shoes over there. He took my... He was just antagonizing me, so I wouldn't leave. He wouldn't let me close the door and leave.
Okay. All right.
He stuck his finger in my eye.
Yeah, your face is super messed up. That's why we called an ambulance. Because you might need to go to the hospital. You got swollen eyes. You got scratches on your face. And your lip is busted. When I got here, you were holding on to his hair. Is that because he was hitting you or what? Okay. Okay. We're going to figure it out. We're going to help you. And we're going to get your stuff back. I can only do one thing at a time.
What's going on, my man?
They only just saw her hitting me. Now she acting crazy with her. I don't want her to go to jail.
Okay.
She was pulling my hair and hitting me and stuff. You can ask neighbors, they don't call the police.
Okay.
I'm trying to get her to calm down so I can get her bag. Her bag is right here.
Okay.
She don't want to listen because she think I got her iPad and stuff. Her stuff is all outside, though.
Okay, I got you. I mean,
yeah, you want me to go with me to grab her bag?
I got you, man. Just hang tight right now. We're going to talk to the neighbor.
This is my girlfriend.
Okay.
She was finna go. She spit on me and stuff.
Okay.
She wanna pull in my hair.
Okay.
That's what they just caught.
What is your name, man?
What was that?
She wanted to let go of his hair.
So what exactly
I was
happened?
just walking the dog. When I left to walk the dog,
Okay.
she's like trying to get him in like choke lock, but he was much taller, so she's like pulling on his hair, and he's like, "Let me go, let me go."
Okay.
I came around the corner, and she still had a hold of his hair, but he was like on top of her, but like not on her. He's like trying to hold himself up while she's got his hair.
Okay.
And the whole time up till you guys got here, she was pulling on that shit.
Do you know what was wrong with her face or why she's bleeding and stuff like that?
No, probably from when, I'm guessing, because she was trying to like give him a headlock, pull his hair as I was walking.
Okay.
Guessing they both went down.
Okay.
And she still had a hold of his hair, so she couldn't, I didn't see her hit her or nothing.
So you didn't see him strike her?
No.
But you saw him or her pull him?
Yeah, the whole time she had a hold of his hair trying to pull that shit out.
Okay.
And that's all I kept hearing and seeing was, let go of my hair, let go of my hair.
Okay.
I've had to almost.
I'm telling you, I can spot a liar when I see it. I ain't gonna say. Listen, baby, listen. I love my women on my channel. You guys already know we don't move like this. We don't act like this. We just watch it and we watch the foolery do what the fooleries do. But I'm saying some women will cry. You know what I'm saying? The biggest tears in the whole wide world, knowing they wrong. You ever seen that movie, A Thin Line Between Love and Hate, with a girl? You know what I'm saying? She said Martin whooping her, but she was in the hospital and she started hitting herself in the. Just one of them. You see how big she, like Al Bundy said, she a big one. She got the one pizzeria on. Shouldn't have it. Shouldn't be out in the world like that. I mean, baby, if your confidence is on 1,000, I love it. You know what I'm saying? But you can't be over here beating men. You too big. What he did. I'm just saying. This is that toxic. You know what I'm saying? It's that hood toxic love type. You know what I'm saying? It's all bad. We're gonna finish the story, but I'm just giving my perspective from what I've seen in her so far. I think she's lying. Oh boy, I think he was getting this. You know what I'm saying? He tried to defend himself, and plus he got the neighbors on his side saying that they didn't see him hit her one time.
Where are you going? I ain't giving you a lawful order to stand
See?
over there. Go over there and I'll give you
See?
a lawful order.
I'm telling you.
Go over there. I'm giving you a lawful order. I'm giving you a lawful order.
Tiana.
I'm telling you.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tiana,
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop touching me, bro.
Hey, get the tranquilizer, the taser. Hit that one piece, baby. Say it with me. Taser. The one piece too. Got to go.
Let go of the cuff.
Let go of the cuff.
Tiana, let go.
She's holding on to one of her cuffs. Here, you got another cuff?
I knew she was the aggressor. I already knew
I
it.
got this.
Oh boy, like he about 130 pounds.
Come on, Tiana. You're hurt. We don't want to have you hurt anymore. Come on. Relax. Tiana, I don't want to hurt your wrist. Tiana, I don't want to hurt your wrist.
Someone scoop her legs.
It's fine. Just get a cuff on her.
Hey, he said scoop him.
Yep.
I got this one.
All right.
Someone sweep the legs, bro.
No, we're good.
No, we're going to get the cuffs on her arm.
With your hands.
There we go.
You're fine. Rest your hands.
Tiana, stop.
There you go.
Rest your hands.
There you go. Just get it over with. You get it. You get it.
You ain't getting that iPad now, baby.
I did. I picked him up.
Let me go.
Go. I know she was giving her boyfriend a business.
Deep breath. Try to calm down. You can't. We're past that now, okay?
Sadie.
Let me go.
We're past that, okay? We're past that. Whose car are we going to? Right here.
Let me go.
Walk.
Look at.
Walk, Tiana. We're not playing this game.
Woo! Big fallback, leaning forward. She know how to use her legs though.
Forky.
Gotta open the car.
You got anything? No pocket.
No, it's all. All right.
Now no pockets to the one piece, baby. All goes inside the brewery. That's in pockets.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Let me go.
We're gonna pick you up and put you in the car if you don't get in.
Pick her up. Yeah. Good luck. Hey, it ain't over.
Let me go.
The woman was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's
It ain't
video.
over till it's over.
Already, please like and subscribe.
Come on, man. Domestic violence goes down, man. You can't be. Thank God for him, because this happens a lot between men and women. Thank God he had witnesses. I don't know what the woman officer talking about. People called and said that they saw him beating her, but the people they talked to said no, that wasn't the case. She had a hold of his hair, and would not let it go for nothing. Okay, she even had a hold of his hair when the officer pulled around the corner. She saw that. So I don't know what phone call she was talking about, but the people there said otherwise. And then they got to see it real life and in person. She didn't help her case at all. She probably could have got away with it, honestly, because she would look like she had the swollen eyes, busted lip, but it might have been in one of those thin line between love and hate where she's sitting over there, lock, hitting herself. It happens. Y'all don't think this happens? She wanted her iPad. I'm telling you, somebody was on that going, yeah, stroke deep in that it. I'm telling you. And I'm just keeping it real. When somebody wants that bad, whether it's a phone or iPad, there's something in there. You know what I'm saying? Make you grab a toothpick and be like, I'm about to watch something good. No, that iPad. Because I know what you were doing. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's keep it funky, man. I know y'all have somebody has some friends, some co-workers. Jumping out the shower for that phone, okay? For that iPad. It's going down. One thing we learned, because these are educational videos, you can't make nobody stay with you. You can't make nobody be with you. Right? You got to learn to let it go. And you got to, number one thing you got to do is learn how to control your emotions. You going to jail over what? Let's just say he was doing all that to his girlfriend, right? He didn't want his girlfriend, like she was saying, he didn't want me to go. Like, let's say that was a true story. He don't want her to go. I don't want her to go because she was doing something with another man. Then he gets locked up and you're in jail, sir. You don't think she's going to go do it anyway? It's a lose-lose situation. Let her go freely, but don't go to jail. You go to jail, she's going to go do it anyway. Same thing with her. She probably think he like messing with somebody. Who knows? I don't know. But whatever he's doing, he going to do it freely now because you about to be locked up. Okay? So it's kind of pointless. You going to jail, wasted your day. Somebody got to come bail you out with money, whether it's your own money or not. It's just a mess, man. Watch out for them red flags, man. That's all I'm saying. Like, ask questions about the exes, ask questions about the last relationship, and you can spot a liarry when you see a liarry, okay? Like, you know somebody, because anybody say they got it 100% good all the time and always blaming somebody else like they didn't have a part in a relationship dissolving, lies. Everybody plays a role in, a split. Some type of, I don't care if it's this small. It takes two to tango. Okay, that's all I'm saying. Tap down in the comments. Let's talk about it because, it's a real situation. People find themselves in situations every day when it's involving a significant other. And then somebody can't control their emotions and they put hands on somebody else because they think they own you. You don't own me. Like, I don't give a who's married. You don't own me. Like, I'm my own person. So, I don't know. Tap down in the comments. Let's talk about it. She got what she deserved, and then, she let it come out and the officer see it, and off to jail she goes.